relationship except brothers and sisters only. But if you have already finished your studies, stable, single, the natural law will prevail.
So, I think we have already
Sungayan yung kayo muna ko.
Ako sa inyo, oy.
Yung buko sa imo.
solution. So, I think it's best that we everybody
Dali
decide.
mo magtambala na.
So, what we're going to do is
Wala na, di na mo dito.
Having heard the resolution of Radate, I would just like to make a clarification that we could not decide, we are not clarified. We could not debate, but we do not know what we are about to debate. So, point of clarification. What do we mean by a natural law prevails? And what would be the requirements or qualifications aside from what we had stated, that single, stable, and
Professional.
natural law? We must have a clear guidelines on what are those qualifications before we can accept kind of relationship. Because I myself, ever since I was a member in 1977, I am against divorce.
Wala din ko.
So I have to accept this kind of provision so that we can solve problems that comes every now and then. And as a matter of fact, this has been a clear imbalance and we have to
Natural states, it should consider religion, customs, and tradition. That means if you're a Muslim, you have your law in marriage. Diba? This is true. Diba? Now, for us, for all of you, for the others, we should think that the laws within the civil code should also prevail. Hindi ka pwede magkaroon ng relationship with other opposite sex kung may asawa ka na. Di ba? Natural law yan eh. Hindi mo siya pwede gawing irida, in other words. So be black with that. In other words, mag-asawa kayo, dalawa. Yun ang natural law. Sa relationship naman, hindi mo siya pwedeng ligawan kasi una, sis mo siya, pangalawa, huwag mo siya lukuhin kung may asawa ka na. At siya rin na may asawa. Hindi pwede. Now, if you are separated, hindi rin allowed ang marriage na separation lang. Dapat ang marriage should be annulment of marriage. Yan ang natural law. Nasa civil code yan. Ilagay natin yan kasi mahaba yan eh. Muslim, iba din yung sa Muslims. Di ba, brother? Iba din yun. But ang point dito is protection of our sister. Yan ang point dito. Di ba? Marami kasi sa atin ngayon, and I'm really very proud to say, and they're even proud to say na mag-asawa. And we accepted that fact. We should be selective. If it is good for him or good for them, it should be good for everybody.
Ay na.
Itong sali, maraming sali itong...
But kung nagkamali ka, at nagkamali ka, violating our provisions and violating our civil code and family code, parusahan. Dalawa, sa atin at sa labas. Proper code. Yun na, ang natulo.
In addition, I would like to request also that the sponsor of the resolution be added that before the brother or sister got marriage, you must get the certification from the national advisory
Tama. Yan lang,
para
certification.
ma-check ang balance natin.
Pwede po dungan sa provision na dyan.
So,
Nga na certification sa kuwan.
Hindi niya, laging nandun at may approval talaga
Oo.
dapat. Hindi pwede lang.
So, kailangan talaga. Legal.
any clarification or
Yung kawat-kawat lang, bakit ba? Illegal mo na.
resolution, probably we can
Ulag-ulag, mangod.
decide with everybody.
Bigadil type sila, Brad. Brad na takaroon. Kahit.
In my opinion, brothers, is camaraderie, a real brotherhood. We joined the Vegan Society for the sake of finding a real brother or sister. So, for that, you can still live by the tradition in accordance with the doctrines, for the tradition, that we have to treat each other like a real brothers and sisters in flesh and in blood. So our camaraderie doesn't end during our studies. In fact, it grows deeper and stronger after our studies. So why do we need to have resolution? When in fact, we can treat each other as real brothers and sisters. So we'll just learn to live by it. So yun ako, sana panindigan natin na magkapatid tayo. So, magkapatid tayo habang buhay. Hindi yung matatapos na yung pagiging magkapatid natin dahil nakapagtapos na tayo. Or else, kung meron mga ganyan case, hindi naman natin sila ipakondem eh. Kasi